The SFCU Student Cashback Credit Card is designed as a specialized financial on-ramp for students and young adults who are looking to establish a solid credit foundation over the long term. The most striking fact about this card is its introductory interest rate structure, which is unlike almost anything else currently on the market for student borrowers. It offers a 5% fixed annual percentage rate for the first 60 months of card ownership. To put that into perspective, 5 years is a massive window of time that covers a standard 4-year degree plus a first year of professional employment. While most student cards on the market might offer a promotional rate for 12 or 18 months before jumping up significantly, this card keeps that 5% rate locked in for a full half-decade. This provides a substantial safety net for those who might find themselves needing to carry a balance occasionally to cover the costs of textbooks, tuition gaps, or unexpected emergencies. Once those first 60 months have passed, the interest rate transitions into a variable annual percentage rate that currently ranges from 12.49% to 17.99%. Even on the high end of that scale, 17.99% is remarkably competitive when you consider that many major national banks charge 20% to 30% on their student credit products. The card also comes with no annual fee, which is a critical feature for anyone on a student budget. This lack of an annual cost allows the account to remain open for years, helping to build a long and healthy credit history without any overhead costs. There is a standard 25-day grace period on purchases, meaning that if the statement balance is paid in full every month, interest can be avoided entirely. This makes it a great tool for learning responsible habits. However, there are some specific hurdles to consider. Because this is a Stanford Federal Credit Union product, membership eligibility is a requirement. Generally, you have to be a student, an alum, or an employee of Stanford or an affiliated company to even apply. Furthermore, while the card is marketed as a cashback card, the specific earning percentages are not explicitly detailed in the primary documentation, which makes it harder to calculate exactly how much you are earning on every dollar spent compared to cards that advertise a flat 1 or 2% back. From an educational standpoint, this card is a fantastic choice for a student who values stability and safety over flashy short-term rewards. The 5% fixed rate for 5 years is the primary selling point because it shields the user from the high-interest debt traps that often catch young borrowers off guard. It is essentially a low-cost loan sitting in your pocket for 5 years. However, it is not the best choice for someone who is purely a transactor looking to maximize every cent of rewards. If you always pay your bill in full and do not care about the interest rate because you never plan to pay it, you might find more value in a card with higher published cashback tiers. But for the vast majority of students who are just learning to manage their cash flow, the predictability of a 5% rate for 5 years is an incredible advantage. In summary, the SFCU Student Cashback Credit Card offers a rare 5% fixed annual percentage rate for 60 months, followed by a variable rate between 12.49% and 17.99%. All with no annual fee, it is a powerful tool for building credit and provides a long-term safety net for college life. The risks involved include the uncertainty of the variable rate after the initial 5 years, as that rate is based on the prime rate and could increase if the national economy shifts. Additionally, the membership requirements are strict, and the lack of specific cashback details means it might not be the most lucrative option for those looking to maximize rewards points.